Kaya pwede na rin ba akong mag-file ng divorce sa Sharia court? Okay, napakagandang tanong ito. O, dahil madami dyan ang nagtatanong about Sharia divorce, and then meron din akong nakita online offering conversion, one-day conversion to Muslim lang, then you can get a divorce. Ang tanong, tatanggapin ba yan? Valid ba siya? Okay, ito ang sagot dyan sa tanong ninyo. There are two cases decided by the Supreme Court so far. One in 2017, yung Nalora versus People, and then 2021, ito yung pinaka-latest natin ngayon, Malaki versus People. So ito yung story ng latest na decision na ito so that you can understand. Si Francis Malaki and Grace Malaki were married under the civil law. So their marriage was celebrated under the family code. Okay? Now, Francis Malaki left his wife. Nag-move on siya. Nag-move on to another place. Baka may nakamahanap ng iba. And then, later on, nagpa-convert siya into Islam. Nagpa-convert ng Islam na religion. Pinakasalan niya ngayon yung second wife niya. A bigamy case was filed against them. Mr. Malaki and the second wife. Sabi ng korte, guilty kayo sa bigamy. Nag-appeal sila hanggang sa Supreme Court. Ang sabi ng Supreme Court, tama. Nagkasala kayo ng bigamy. It's a criminal case. Ang penalty na nahatol sa kanila ay umabot ng 8 years. And 8 years. Okay? Sila, which means si Mr. Malaki at si second wife. Nadama yung second wife niya. Sabi kasi ng Supreme Court, you cannot use religion to escape from your criminal liability. Kasi yung religion, hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yan para mapawalang bisa kapag gumawa ka ng kasalanan. After mong magpa-convert, your conversion will not nullify the first marriage. Yung pagpapa-convert ninyo ng Islam ay hindi niya i-dissolve, hindi mapapawalang bisa yung first na kasal ninyo which was celebrated under the civil law. Okay. Isa pa, yung good faith ninyo, like, okay, hindi ko kasi alam, akala ko kasi ganito, ganyan, is not an excuse. Most especially, yung law ng Muslim law na yung PD 1083 is not created to protect, okay, or